welcome back to Combustion Guys YouTube channel, and today we are here at the Central Florida International Auto Show, and the first thing you're basically greeted with is this. Yeah, someone did not come through and clean the stairs to the entrance. It looks really bad. A lot of palm trees and palm fronds down there, just not very well kept up, that's for sure. And also they lost a ton of the drive experiences here. They do not have the Drive by Stellantis, Dodge, etc. They do not have the Jeep Wagoneer experience once again. They're supposed to have like a Kia, it looks like, but all they have is Toyota for sure, Subaru, and they also have a motorcycle test drive. So yeah, not much going on the outside, and it looks like they have a lot less on the inside as well, so we'll see what we see today, but definitely a downgrade from years past, that's for sure. So, but we'll see what we get to drive and see what we get to look at inside, hopefully.
TRD Pro. So this is the top of the line in this sport version, right? There is the capstone as well, which is going to be the luxury version of it.
Thank you.
Huge screen, digital dash, that is standard. This is also a camera as well.
Oh, sweet.
Because we are in a big SUV, right? And we will most likely pack this up to the brim without even seeing through the back. So that is a great feature to have.
And that's a nice for a quick backing up into a parking spot or somewhere else. That's nice to have too. Sweet. Does this pivot then when you move the actual
Oh, no,
itself?
it doesn't.
Nope.
It
I
just,
feel that. It locks.
Yeah, it locks in place.
Interesting. Okay, that's cool.
So, yeah, whenever you're comfortable, we can go ahead and start to drive. And what's standard in the Sequoia is the TRD, is the iForce Max, which is the hybrid motor in it.
Okay, so what's the cylinders on that?
Still a it's a V6, 3.5 liter V6 twin turbo.
Sweet. Oh wow, that is smooth steering.
And I think we're in sport. Yeah, we're in sport mode too.
Okay.
This has, since it is the TRD Pro, it has the TRD exhaust in it, so it's a little bit more rumbly.
Ooh, nice.
Change it up with classics from the 70s like that.
At the stop sign, we'll make a left.
Right.
This screen, if you do want, you can have this to be automatically on under 10 miles an hour.
Oh, that's nice.
So it's a big SUV. Having that in place, you have a better awareness of what's around.
Yeah, especially for the parking lot and stuff. That's true. Going right? Going
left. Yes. Gas, let it rip. And we'll slow it down about right here.
Yep.
About middle of the barrels, you're going to see a right entrance.
Okay.
I'm going to make a right into there.
You had to make it interesting for you guys this year.
Oh, they wanted to make you feel like you're on an autocross track.
Yeah, there we go with that. Instead of just.
And then here's another small area if you do want to let her rip.
Feels good under throttle for the turn.
And
Give it a
then
little brake here. Oh, that's sweet.
Comes down fast.
Yes.
And then we'll make a right into here next to the guard shack. This is a great truck. Knowing that there's a lot of people for this because it is brand new.
It is brand new.
You know,
you want to move things along.
If you didn't go into the building yet for the auto show, more like the product specialists can answer a lot more questions than I could in a longer period of time. Right. But yeah, this is.
The interior looks beautiful and everything. So
Yeah. Well, it was a pleasure, Barrett, and enjoy the rest of your day. Okay.
All right, keep it rolling.
Ooh. I have fun every time I hit that gas. It never gets old. Especially when I get people that never been on an electric car. It's so fun.
Alrighty guys, so we got the electric car experience here, which has usurped the amazing Ram and Jeep driving experience, which was far more profitable in my honest opinion. And yeah. That's about it. It has a lot of acceleration, we'll give it that, but other than that, it has no real benefit over any other car that's out there, especially when it comes down to the mileage. Because, I mean, you heard what the guy was saying, right? I mean, 300 mileage, maybe? Maybe. It was 230 for sure if you're doing the all-wheel drive.
When he kept saying if you don't drive it too much, it'll last a month. If you don't drive it too much, it'll last a month. To which I'm like, but I drive every day for work.
Compare
How
that
does
to
gonna
a
help me?
Ram 1500 with the Eco Diesel. You can get over 500 plus miles with the e-hybrid in it,
Right.
which is the little electric engine in the drivetrain. And it's like, huh? There's no benefit. And by the way, we still don't know, because no one really tells us what the charging fees are.
Yeah.
Other than
that's
really
what I wanna know.
expensive. We know that they're expensive, so yeah. Yeah. No likey.
We get the red one because he did a much better job stopping
Yeah.
than everyone else.
Yes. So this is like, well, the Kia is a little bit more of the sport version here. So this is the EV6 here, and this is the winged edition, which is interesting. And so compared to that there, I mean, it does look, styling wise, that one looks better.
Yeah.
I will give it that. There ain't no noise, people. There's just a little hum. And don't forget about how long it takes to put the fires out when they decide to explode on you. Great safety. It's a very one-dimensional test, whereas like with the Dodge, with the Jeep experience, and then with the Ram experience, you got to test or feel the differences of how the suspension handled on so many different surfaces, not only
The
acceleration
only thing this proved was that it was quiet
and fast.
and it was fast.
Alright, I guess. So over here, looking at the more than likely the last generation of the Chrysler 300. We're also going to look at the Challenger and Charger there as well. A beautiful color on the car. Looks really nice, nice and blue, nice. Oh, the blackout trim on it as well. Yeah, it's going to be sad to not see those cars coming out. We got the 392. I think this is Special Mopar Farewell Edition here with the orange and wide body. Ooh, it looks beautiful. Look at those beautiful stripes in there, and look, and the beautiful engine sitting inside. That thing is awesome. Alright, so we got the new EV Subaru here. Doesn't look too bad overall. Interior wise, same standard of Subaru interior. Looks really good and nice for sure, always comfortable. Checking out the front, they've totally redone and modernized the front though. That is definitely a lot more modern than their other cars have been, so that's nice to see. Taking a look here. Door's nice. We got the two cup holders in the door as usual. Got a nice door, nice cup holders here in the middle console. Got a nice storage area, which also that probably helps with airflow as well. Get in here and see how the seat feels. Not as comfortable as previous Subarus I've been in. Yeah, not quite as comfortable. A little bit too on the stiff side, I'd have to say. Yeah, because just compared to the Ascent that I sat in a few years ago, not quite as comfy. It looks like it's almost built off of the Kia platform almost, just looking at it overall. I mean, not bad, but interesting. Good styling overall, I'd have to say. Definitely futuristic, if whatever futuristic means. But yeah, compared to the Kia over there, and then this over here, it looks about the same, honestly. And as usual, it's EV, so yeah, not overly impressed. Let's take a look at the front, though. Look at the front styling. Yeah, that's just weird. Alright, guys, walking over to Nissan here, and they got the new Z. Look at that thing. That is some beautiful paint. Wow, that looks really good. Nice little brakes in there with the red. That's very nice. Oh, good badge placement. Nice. Looks good. I like it. So here we go, guys. On display, the Ford Bronco Raptor. Wow, this thing looks so cool. Ford doesn't have a Bronco, not a Bronco, a Maverick on display, but this thing here, good night. Wide fenders with the wide body package, nice graphics. Thing looks sweet. Checking out the rear there. That is nice. Look at that. Very cool. Then we got the tire with the tailgate over here. That's some sweet tread. Got the nice Raptor logo right here. That's a nice looking one. Very, very, very good. Ooh, look at the interior so we can see like there's got the light end interior there in the front. Then we got a little bit of orange stitching, a little bit of orange all throughout the interior. It looks good. I'm worried about the seats in the back. Those look kind of uncomfortable to be in because they're at like that angle. That angle, there we go. The front looks pretty good though. Front interior looks really good. Like it. But look at those tires. BF Goodwrench on there. Very, very, very nice looking exterior there with the skid plate. Wow. That thing is sweet. Very cool. Can't wait to see one of these on the road. And can't wait to hear what the exhaust sounds like on these as well. That's going to be cool. Nice. Like it. Alrighty guys, that's going to do it for us here at the Central Florida Car Show. Very disappointing turnout by the manufacturers and also by the test drivers as well. So a bit disappointing all the way around, but still some cool cars to be able to look at, sit in, check out, and we'll see you guys here next time. Thanks guys for watching. Bye-bye.